guys, and welcome back to my channel. For my returning subscribers, you are welcome. For my new subscribers, you are welcome. And for you watching my video for the first time, you are welcome also. Please do well and subscribe. So go back to this video, go to my description box and watch the way I outline and ventilate this particular air, because this is the air I'll be using for this video. So let's just go straight to braiding. So I'll be using this first bundle to braid, and then I will go ahead and lay it on the chair like how I'll be picking it. So I lay it on this chair before I start to braid. So this is how I braid like this. I'm going to lose it, so please go and watch that video. It's fucking important. Go to my description box, go and see how I ventilate, how I cut the scoops, and how I ventilate it. Please do well and watch that video. So now I'll just go ahead and braid. The hair on this hair is representing the hair on a scalp, the hair on a woman's scalp. Yes, the hair on a woman's head. Okay. So make sure you guys watch that video, please. So then I'll start braiding. I want this hair to be thick. I want it to be thick and short. It actually, you see this. God. I don't even know what I want to say. You actually see the video, like the thumbnail and the caption there. You can see what I want to. You know what I want to make. God, oh girl. So you know what I want to make, sure. So this is how I braid. I braid the hair like twice, once, 3 times, anyhow you want it, and then start attaching attachments to it. If you want it thick, make it thick. You want it long, make it long. Make it short. If you want it short, make it short. Any style you want, just follow the process. And if you want this particular hair I'm making, just follow this process. Like, I want to make it but still on still. Go and watch that video so that you know how I cut it. So then I've finished with the first bundle. Like, I'm using a large attachment and I cut 1 into 3 bundles, like into 3 equal parts. 1 pack of attachment I cut into 3 equal parts. So this is how I made the down part. You can see I measure it, and after measuring it, I'll start folding. Like, from the place I measured, I'll fold it to the top. So I keep measuring it so that it won't be too long and it won't be longer than each other. But trust me, it was actually longer than each other when I finished it. But I love the outcome. Actually, yeah, I love the outcome. So measure, and after measuring it, I'll go ahead and fold it upward, like fold it up to the top. So it's going to give me the actual thing I want. So I keep measuring it to give me the perfect. I don't want it to be, to give me the perfect thing I want. So it won't be longer than each other, and it won't be short. One will be short, one will be long. So that's what I kept on doing. Yeah. So this is when I'm done with the first bundle. You know, I said 1 pack. I cut 1 pack into 3 parts, into 3 bundles. So I cut 1 pack into 3 bundles. This is the second bundle that I'll be using, and this is when I'm done with the second bundle. Sorry, this video will be quick and sharp. I don't want anything too long, because I know you guys, if video is long like this, you fly. You will fly away. So this is the third bundle. So this is the third bundle. So this one I'm done with the third bundle. So I'm just going straight to use the 4th one. And don't forget the logic I use. I arrange this here on a chair, and I'll start picking it if I want to use it. I think you understand. So this is when I'm done with the 4th bundle. So I use just 4 bundles. So I use 1 pack and a bundle. So I don't even use up to 1.5 pack. Hey, oh my god. But if you want this hair to be very thick and long, trust me, you use 2 pack. So this is it. You people will be thinking, what am I using this shakapula to do? What am I using this candle to do? I'm actually using it to bond the tip, like the place I folded. That style, you know, the style now. That's the only part I use, like to breeze. That's the only part. And I've trimmed this hair with the scissors before I burn the tip. So please, it's only the tip I use this thing to burn. No, I didn't use it to burn the hair. So and be careful when you are using it. So this is when I'm done with the edges, and you can see how neat the tip is when I burn it with the light. So this is it. This is the hair. I've poured hot water on it, so I just want to use this band. You know, the cap actually has a band also, so don't get it twisted, but I want it to be very tight. So I want it to be like you can use the band inside, and you can also use the one I join to the cap. Oh guys, so look how the net is looking. Look how I said net. Look how the wig is looking. So guys, please don't forget to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. I'll be giving you back to back. Yes, so see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.